All right, here are the answers you should have gotten when you solved this problem. So the mean was 83 and 4/10. My median, when I found my middle two numbers and I added them up and divided by 2, was 89. And my mode, I happen to have 3 99s. Now, if we look at this, and I look at my set of data that I have up here, I'm going to box it. Now I put it in order from least to greatest. I'm going to see that my numbers go anywhere from 61 to 99. So they kind of creep up as they go along, so we don't really have any outliers. So when I don't have any outliers, typically the mean makes the most sense unless I'm looking for the most popular answer, which I'm not. Okay, so typically we would use the mean. These are all accurate, correct numbers that can be used as measures of center to describe this set of numbers. Let's look at A here. If I were the owner of the company, which measure of center would I use for advertising? Now, we said that 83 and 4/10 was our best summary number, our best measure of center. If I was advertising my new disinfectant to kill germs and I said, hey guys, guess what? 83% of the time it works and it kills the germs. I mean, the other 17% of the time it doesn't. But hey, I mean, it's only 17%, right? And 83% of the time it does work. Do you think that people would be inclined and likely to buy it? Okay, probably not. So what I would do if I were the company, if I were Juan's Cleaners, I would use the mode. And I would say, hey guys, 99% of the time, we have found that that is the most accurate measure of how many germs were killed. Is Juan and his company, are they lying when they say 99% of the time was our most accurate result? They're not lying, but are they being really truthful? Yeah, well, that's debatable. So if I were this company, I would be using the mode. However, even though the mode of 99 is accurate, it's really not our best summary, okay? So if we talk about part B, if I were working for the CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control, which one would they choose to share with the public to evaluate the product? They would go with the mean. The mean is the average. So they would say 83 and 4% of the time, this cleaning product will disinfect or eliminate germs. If they said 99% of the time, sure, 3 of the 10 cases up here, it did kill 99% of the germs. But unfortunately, some of the other times, it only killed 61 or 67 or 67% of the germs. That is not very accurate. So when you average it out, it's only about 83%, not really good. The Center for Disease and Control, hopefully, as a government agency, is going to be very honest and straightforward and have the best data possible. So therefore, saying 99% of the time would really not be factual. So sometimes, even though we have accurate numbers and we know the best one to use, sometimes companies in advertising know the best one to use, but they use a different one. So like in part A, they're going to use this 99. Are they lying? Well, technically no, because one of their measures of center is 99. But are they being 100% truthful? Probably not.